Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice lesson. Today, we are going to talk about something very valuable. It is time. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence aloud, and practice with confidence. Let's get started. Time is one of the most valuable things in our life. We can earn money again. We can buy new things. But we cannot get yesterday back. That is why we should use our time wisely. Every day gives us 24 hours. How we use those hours is our choice. Some people spend hours doing nothing. They watch videos. They scroll through social media. They keep delaying their work. Then they wonder why they are not making progress.
Do not waste your time.
Use your time to learn something useful. Read a book. Learn English. Practice a new skill. Exercise. Spend time with your family. Work on your goals. You do not need to study for many hours every day. Even 30 minutes of focused practice can make a difference. The important thing is consistency. Do something useful every day. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Start today. If you have a goal, take one small step toward it. If you want to improve your English, speak English today. If you want to learn a skill, practice it today. If you want to become better, start today. Sometimes we say, I will do it tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. And time keeps moving. So, stop waiting for the perfect moment.
Use the time you have now.
Your future depends on the choices you make today. Use your time wisely. Stay focused. Keep learning. Keep improving. And remember, every minute is an opportunity to become better. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Keep speaking English every day. Practice makes progress. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.